Hello and welcome to the Mama Mel collection. I am a sewing and embroidery small business based here in Central Florida. I work out of my home, and today we are talking about making a t-shirt quilt. A simple t-shirt quilt with square t-shirts on the front and a quilting cotton on the back. With a bias tape edge. So this video specifically is going to tell you what those supplies are that you're going to need in order to make this t-shirt quilt, and I will have follow-up videos with instructions on how. Let's get started. First thing that you're going to need is your sewing machine. I specifically use the Singer Heavy Duty 4452, and I love this machine. It does wonders with t-shirt quilts. You are going to need the t-shirts. You will need quilt batting. There are a bunch of different styles for this. My research shows that I like the 80/20, and I love this brand. All of this will be linked in my videos, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I will answer as best I can. You will also want some rulers so that all of your squares can be uniform and turn out beautiful. So I use a 6.5 inch as well as a 12.5 inch, and I use the brand Omni Grip. These are my favorite, and this works out perfectly for the large prints, and then if there's like a logo or something small, I can cut 4 to equal the same size as the big one. Okay, you're going to need some t-shirt stabilizer. This is from my favorite brand, Heat and Bond. Love this brand so much. You will need some straight pins. A rotary cutter is nice. Some fabric scissors. And you will also need some 505 temporary adhesive spray. Now, not necessary, but you will need some type of iron or a heat press. And these are the supplies that you will need in order to make your t-shirt quilt.